Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric, and welcome to our second installment of our February Hot Product in a Hot Minute. Today, I have Doug Plance with AJB. They represent TMB, ABB TMB, Thomas & Betts. He's here to tell us about the color-keyed disconnect kits offered by Thomas & Betts. So, Doug, why don't you take it away?
So I'm here today to talk to you about our newest color-keyed motor lead disconnect kit. Back in 1989, we introduced the motor lead disconnect. Looks like this. It's a means of terminating your motor in a safer, more reliable, and less labor-intensive fashion. If you're still doing this, 2 lugs back to back, bolt hole through and a bunch of tape, you're wasting a bunch of time and you don't have a reliable connection. Based on the popularity of our motor lead disconnects, we developed a handy kit. Whether you're in a plant, on a service truck, in manufacturing, you'll find the latest and greatest in our motor lead disconnects. Both female and male are in the kit. The kit is stackable and comes with a wire stripper, the crimp tool, the disconnects themselves, and the insulating boots. The kit goes from 14-16 gauge to 4-gauge wire. We do have other sizes available as well. The motor lead disconnects start from 14-16 gauge and go all the way up to 500 MCM. So solutions for your fractional horsepower motors, as well as your larger motors. If you're interested in seeing the kit or customizing the kit, please reach out to your Standard Electric account manager.
As Doug said, if you guys want to get your hands on a kit like this, have it customized, just reach out to your Standard Electric account manager. They'll be glad to help you. We'll bring Doug with us and he'll give you all his expertise. And until next time, why don't you like, subscribe, and follow us. And we will see you next week on our next installment of Hot Products in a Hot Minute.
Thanks, Joanne.